In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule on Connecteam. We'll start from the Connecteam admin dashboard, which is where all scheduling is managed. From the left-hand menu, click on Job Schedule. This opens the scheduling area where you can create and organize shifts for your team. Once you're there, click Add New at the top of the page to create a new schedule. This is useful if you want to separate schedules by branch, department, or any other part of your operation. After that, give the schedule a clear name, choose your preferred display settings, and assign the schedule to the relevant users or smart groups. Taking a moment to set this up properly will make it much easier to manage later. Next, select the schedule you just created. At the top, choose the view that works best for you, day, week, or month. The best option depends on how much detail you want to see at once. If you're planning individual shifts, the week view is often the easiest to work with. To add a shift, hover over the correct employee's row on the date you want, then click the plus icon. This opens the shift creation window. Here, enter the shift details carefully, set the start and end time, and include breaks if needed. Then choose a job or task so the shift is categorized correctly. You can also add the location and any notes or instructions the employee should see. This is especially helpful when a shift includes a specific worksite or important reminders. If this shift happens regularly, you can make it repeating. Just check the repeat box and choose the frequency, such as every week on the same day. This can save a lot of time when building recurring schedules. If you often use the same type of shift, you can save it as a template. Click on an existing shift and select Save as Template. The next time you need it, you can simply drag and drop that template onto the calendar. You can also apply larger scheduling patterns by clicking Actions and choosing Add from Shift Templates, which lets you populate a full day or even a full week much faster. One important thing to remember is that saved shifts may remain in draft mode. That means employees won't see them until they're published. To publish a single shift, click on it and select Publish. If you want to publish the full week at once, use the green Publish button in the top right corner of the schedule view. Once published, your employees will receive a notification in the Connecteam mobile app. And that's how to make a schedule on Connecteam.